little two, little three, little Indians. Four, little five, little six, little Indians. Seven, little eight, little nine, little Indians. 10 little Indian boys.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. And we are your teachers for today. I am Teacher Idol, but you can call me Teacher I.
And I am Teacher Rice, but you can call me Teacher Rice.
Hep, hep, hooray! Hep, hep! Alright, did I know activities?
Yes!
But before that, let's have a classroom rules first. First is respect each other. So, respeto mo yung kagalingon, yung classmates, yung teachers. In short, mag-respetuhan ka tanan. Nasabtan ka?
Yes!
Second is, if the teacher is talking, you must
Yes!
if butang si teacher, ano sabi mo?
Listen! Malinaw!
Alright. And the last one is, if you want to answer, just raise your right hand. Okay? If kailangan mo answer, ilisan yung kamot and look at the mean. Alright. So, sa dili ko ta, magsugod sa akong activity karon, if may mo si teacher nga, andam na ba mo? Ang yung itubag is, andam na. Alright? Andam na ba mo?
Andam na!
So, ang atong activity karon kay ang name na is jumbo letters. So, all you have to do is yung isulti ang correct word. Correct? Alright?
Yes!
First word. Echo. Alright. Echo. Ang echo class, kaya di na siya meaning, but kanang ako ipupusan karon sa echo is sa music like kuan siya kasabot mo sa echo. Ang echo class ay ang nagsampo na echo ano siya nga guwapa siya. Guwapa siya. Nakasabot ka?
Yes!
Alright. So, ready? Clap, teacher. Okay, clap. So, kinsa man kaya ang ibang mo clap?
dyan sa mga ibang activity ni Teacher Idol? Sure?
Yes!
So, before tayo proceed sa ato group discussion, I want you to group into two. So, this will be the group A and this will be the group B. So, can you please form a big circle?
Yes!
Okay, big circle. This will form okay, naka-form na ba naman?
Yes!
Okay. Karon, okay. Every group, I want you to choose a one representative. So, pagpili mo kinsa yung mga representative.
Angela!
Ito na siya. Okay. Girl, I want you to listen carefully. I will perform all of this. Okay? Dapat maminaw mo tarong ha. So, this is what we call a rhythmic pattern. So, the first one will be this. Ta, 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 ta. Okay. The second one will be ta, 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 the third one will be ta, 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 ta. Okay. So, can you, pwede mo ba ang representative ngayon yung mga napilihan? Yeah. Come here sa front. Ganahan? Okay. So, karon, kining na place sa inyong representative, you will perform it in the front. I'll give you enough time to practice and perform it in the front. So, practice ninyo kadyon ang inyong buwan. Ipasabatabi ka na makita ang buwan.
Kailangan natin yung malakas.
Okay, waterfall, waterfall. You'll say. Okay, again, waterfall, waterfall. Okay, next, if the teacher will say mac and cheese, you'll say everybody freeze. Okay, mac and cheese. Everybody freeze. Okay, thank you. Okay, to the last activity, what do you observe on the paper that your group mates have picked? Say na sa paper.
Ay, mga notes.
Numbers.
Numbers.
Number. Okay. Atin na silang i-shuffle. Ang inyong ipansutin ay numbers, lines, and notes. Okay. Okay. The lines, notes, and the rest that you have said is what we call is rhythmic pattern. So can you please read? In music refers to the sounds or beats that establishes the tempo, groove, and structure. So, in rhythmic pattern, it has recurring sequence of sounds or beats. So, mo to sa inyong gibuhat na nagbalik-balik ang one clap and two claps. So, in rhythmic pattern, di ba na, ito yung numbers no, tinang-gingon ng kilid no. Mo to siya gitawag nga 4S, 2S, 3S, and 4S. Okay, mo ni siya 2, 3, and 4S. Na may idea nga nung gitawag sa 2S, 3S, and 4S? No. Okay, ano na siya? Why 2S? Because every measure has two stick notations. Sa usa ka measure na ay nasa usulod. Sa 3S, sa usa ka measure na ay ulo. Sa usa ka measure sa 4S has 4 stick notations. Okay. Next is rhythm. Can you please read what is rhythm? A rhythm pattern of sound. So what teacher Idol has said earlier, rhythm is sound na mabalik-balik ra sa kwan. For example, is the wave. Ang sound sa wave is same ra o kwan. So next is note. Okay, can you please read? Are symbols that denote a musical note. So, kailan note? Yes. Ang note katong naay murag head sa upos. Yes. Next is stick notations. A method for teaching music reading that involves presenting notes with note heads removed. Okay. So, ano siya? So, this is what stick notation looks like. Imabaw ni siya ang note na siya head. Yes. Ano ba bang yes. Okay. Imabaw ni siya ang note. Ang nakasundi sa stick notation, ang stick notation doesn't have head. It was removed. So, imabaw ni siya ang stick notation. It represents only one clap. Ang one clap sa stick notation is slow. Slow na. Dili siya paspas, dili po siya one. Ano? Ta. Can you please follow me? Ta. Okay. Next is okay. This is what we call two beat. Kami nga rin niya sa kwan. Note sa nice. It is 8. Okay. So, kung niya is nasa sa stick notations, wala siya head. Amo ni siya ang symbol sa stick notations sa 8. That's this one. So, kung niya, ang beat niya is paspas. Ha or tata. Tata
siya, kanang basta siya, dili siya slow siya, tapos siya. Okay, next is okay, this is game sama to siya nga ni ganyan. Ano ni teacher Ed?
Yes.
Okay, what is the say beats the rest? No.
No.
No sound. Okay, can you do it? Okay, again. Okay, balik na ha. Can you do the beat of the one stick notation? Okay, how about the two stick notations? And the rest? Okay. So, nakasabot na ba sa rhythmic patterns and stick notations?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, I'll group you again into two. So, each group will have a popsicle stick. Each group will choose any of this. Okay? Any of this. Pagsabot mo sa inyong groupmate, o sa inyong sa popsicle sticks, you will make or form any of the stick notations. For example, teacher Rhymes will make two. Okay. This will be representing. This will be my represent of one, two. Only siya, two. And so my rest will be drawn in a Z. You can get ra?
Yes.
Okay. This will be the group A and group B again. Okay, can you form a big circle? You will paste, inyong ihimo, inyong i-paste diri sa, kaya na, diri sa bond paper. Kita ang one.
Ha.
Sige, dito sa
Ako nagsigod ako number 4 din yan. Ako to back to Google. Ako, 1, 3, 4. Kapag ako lang.
Sa'yo mo, ano inyo July? 2?
Waterfall, waterfall.
Ay, kako.
Sing along. Mac and cheese. Kumana mo. Kumana, teacher. Kumana. Okay. Okay, kumana mo. Please, layo po balik sa inyo ang chairs na kwan. Kaya, may set ka na. Okay, this is the group piece rhythmic pattern. So, Group B, can you please perform this? Okay, one, two, three, go. Again. Okay. One, two, three. Okay, excellent. Thank you. And how about the group A? Group A, can you please perform your rhythmic pattern? Again, one, two, three, go. Okay, thank you for your participation. Ito na mag-perform.
So, since nakasabot mo yun sa atong activity karon, makakata na to ang fantastic class ang ato ang pagkakas. Ano ang ganito? Okay, one more ka na. So, okay, 1, 2, 3, go. So, alright, kasabta naman mo ang stick notation and rhythmic pattern. So, usahan ko yung kuan. Pila ganini ka? Alright, so mga friends ang then kung gaan na to aning condition ka ang ato ang bawal, right?
Very good. Okay, so thank you for your participation. Goodbye, class.